Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I transformed from this to this amazing look with a Faux natural hair. So if you want to see, please keep watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Okay, you need a spray bottle because you need your hair to be wet. So you're going to walk your hair with water, but I don't need a spray bottle because I just did my wash routine. So after that, I am parting my hair because I want to create a center pattern. It depends on the side you want it. It could be center or it could be side, but I want it to be at the center. So I first of all secure a center pattern for myself before I start putting any product on my hair, so that I will be able to get the design that I want at the end of it. So after I'm done, I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure a portion of my hair so that the pattern that I created will be secured before putting any product. So once I'm done here, I am basically going to do the same thing on the other side. The purpose of this is just to secure the center pattern, but if you can still get your center pattern after you put the whole product, then it's fine. But I do this so that I won't lose my track. So what I'm doing at the back, I am trying to partition my hair into portions so that I can put a product on it. So I'll make sure that the product gets into the hair because the hair is thick. The hair is a virgin hair, so I make sure that the product enters in from the root. So I'm using this Cantu Shea Butter Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. I'm going to put it on my hair. So this actually helps to prevent my hair from breakage. This serves as a moisturizer for my hair. So whenever I'm done with my wash routine, I make sure I go throughout my hair with this product. It really helps to keep it moisturized. It helps to make it not look flaky. So after applying the product, I'm going to still part my hair again, section by section, so that when I apply the product, I'll be able to lay it down with this eco styling gel right here. That's what I'm going to be using to lay down my natural hair. So I'm trying to work the eco styling gel all the way from the root to down. I'm going to I partitioned it in different sections. I'm not going to start from the beginning. Why I'm starting from the back and doing it partition by partition is to make sure that the product gets into the hair. And because the hair is thick, is not relaxed, I need to do it like this so that the product will go around my hair. And as you can see, the hair is already going down. So you want to make sure that the eco styling gel lands on the hair and takes it all the way back. So now I am applying the eco styling gel as well on the sides of my hair, trying to lay it down as possible as I can. So once I'm done, I try to slick the hair down to make sure that everything is down, and to also make sure that the whole hair is laid flat. So I'll go to where I secured and I start partitioning it little by little, and then I'm applying gel to it as well. So it depends on the style that you want to do it. If you want to do it all back without parting, depends on the style you want. If you want to do it by the side, it's depending on the side that you want. So once I am done working the eco styling gel and all of my hairs to make sure that everything is down, I'm going to go over my hair with this big toothed brush. It helps to prevent my hair from breaking. If you have a smaller type of this brush, I think it will work just fine for you, but my own just spoiled, so I'm going to replace it. So I'm using this one for now because it is serving me. I'm trying to brush my hair all the way down, and then the back I'm bringing it a little bit up. I'm going to make sure I place it in a position where I want the hair to lie. Then after, I'm going to secure the hair with this band right here. If you don't have this band, you can use a rubber band, but this preferably, because this will not cut my hair. Rubber band is definitely going to cut your hair. The next thing I'm using is this Head Funk Extreme Styling Gel. I'm going to take it, not so much product, place it all around my hair to make sure that the hair is laid down well. And because I want to use it for a longer time, so I want it to last longer for me, that is why I'm going over it, so it's going to last longer. Then after it, you want to go with a brush and then lay everything down and make sure that every tiny hair that is sticking out is laid down very well. Then I'm using Got to Be Glued, water resistant. Because it's a virgin hair, you might not find it very easy to lay down your baby hair because it's a virgin hair. So that's why I use Eco Styling Gel. That is the only gel that can actually lay my virgin hair down with and last for weeks for me. So that's why I am using it to bring out my baby hairs. If you don't want baby hairs, it's fine, but I want to bring out my baby hairs to make the look more beautiful. So I did my makeup off camera, and I'm going to place this on my hair. This is a clip-in hair. It has this clip here, and it also has the band. Now I'm going to wear it on my hair. I'm trying to pin it down, pin the clip inside to secure the hair more, because you don't want this to fall off. So you're going to secure it in every way possible. Once I am done, the remaining rubber that is sticking out, I'm going to use it to go round the hair to make sure that everything looks perfect and natural. And so you have it. This is the final look. I hope this was helpful. No matter how strong your hair is, you can achieve this look, I'm telling you. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I post beautiful videos like this. Bye.